This 2024 Newmar Mountain Aire 3825 is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, Florida 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Newmar is 38 feet 10 inches in length and features a Barton Decor, Glacier Glazed Maple Hardwood-HG interior, sleeps 2, self-contained, awning, LP detector, leveling jacks, skylight, carbon monoxide detector, oven, slide-out, TV antenna, external shower, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, couples coach, front dinette, front entertainment, front living area, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2024 Newmar Mountain Aire 3825 is built on a Spartan K3 chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.